Hello, this is Ms. Desario, and I am your USVA history teacher. Today's lesson is just going to introduce you to our Canvas page so you know where to find all of the information. We're going to go ahead and switch over to student view so it looks just like what it will on your screen. So here is our Canvas page. To the left-hand side, you're going to see some important information. First is your link for announcements, and this will bring up any announcements that we give to you all. As you can see, there's no announcements for today. The second is your modules. This will take you to the calendars, but as well as our units. Every unit that we cover will also show up underneath modules. This will bring you to your Clever link, which is what you're going to use to access my Zoom lessons. So you're going to access Zoom through Clever. We have tech help. If you have any issues with your Chromebook, you can come here and they can help you. And then finally, we have tutoring that is offered 24 hours a day, 7 days a week through our tutor.com. This is again free and you can get it for any subject you need. Back to our homepage. Here is my email address, and this is Ms. Fitzpatrick's email address. Ms. Fitzpatrick is going to be working closely with us throughout the course of this year, and if you need anything, you may reach out to myself or Ms. Fitzpatrick, and we will get back to you as soon as possible. Another way that we communicate with you all, in addition to announcements through Canvas, is also through the Remind app. We're going to go over setting this up in class on Wednesday, so you don't need to worry about it too much right now, but this is where you'll find that information. Class time. For second period, I need to add you all in here, but we will be meeting Tuesdays through Fridays from 12 o'clock until 12:50. For my sixth period, we meet Tuesday through Friday from 2:20 to 3:10. I do have office hours every morning or in the mornings on Wednesdays and Fridays for U.S. history from 8:30 to 9:45, and you can use my Zoom office hours link. Ms. Fitzpatrick has office hours after school on Tuesday, Wednesdays, and Thursdays from 3:10 until 4 o'clock, and here is her office hours link. If you are ever in an emergency situation, in addition to reaching out to 911, here is some other information that may be helpful to you. Please feel free to use these whenever you need. They are open 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. All right, our links below. Your Zoom live lessons. Again, this is going to take you to Clever. So once you get into Clever, you're going to go to my page. And here you see second period Zoom link and sixth period Zoom link. So this is how you access my Zoom. You will not access my Zoom through just the link itself. You do have to access it through Clever. Weekly agenda. This tells us what we're going to be covering in class, as well as what you're going to be doing on your own time. In class, we are going to be covering getting to know you on Tuesday, our syllabus scavenger hunt and setting up Remind. Like I said, on Wednesday, we'll set up Remind. Thursday is going to be a Civic Truck introduction. Friday, you're going to complete an assignment in class. On your own, you're going to be watching some video notes to get you up to speed on my class and how it works. Today's day is 0.1 notes on Introduction to Canvas. Then you'll move on to how to take notes in my course, how to use the tracker, how to submit assignments, and how to access the textbook. Moving on, announcements. Again, this is the same link as up above. If you need to get to announcements, there are two places that you can access them. Assignments. You can go to modules, but if you want it to take you directly to where we're at, then I recommend using the assignments link in right here. This is what I will be using in class. So if you click on that, it's going to take you directly to the unit that we're currently working on. Right now, we are working on Module 0, Introduction to USVA History. You are completing these Unit 1 or 0.1 notes on Canvas. your 0.2 notes on how to take notes, 0.3, how to use the tracker, 0.4, how to submit assignments, 0.4, assignment, which we're going to be doing in class together, and then your video notes. This is the tracker, which is under your resources section. I'm going to explain this in a further lesson as well, so don't worry about this right now. We'll go over that in a moment. And then finally, here is where you find your syllabus. And again, we're going to discuss this in class, so I'm not going to spend time going over it right now, but you know where to access the syllabus, and this has all the pertinent information that you may need about my course. So this covers everything that you need to know on my Canvas page itself. If you have any questions, please let us know. Make sure that you answered the questions that went along with this as you went. That is what we are going to be using to ensure that you're completing your assignments. Thank you so much and have a great day.